Colonel Bernardo Bernardin Tito, Doc June for sharing his knowledge with us on the United Nations Convention of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities from the point of view of civil society organization and international non-government organizations. Given this 20th day of November 2024 at the Summit Hotel on the occasion of the National General Assembly of the Philippine National Federation of Persons with Disabilities Inc., signed by Bonifacio Castigador, Chairperson of the Board of Trustees, and Henrik Takuya, National President. Let's give him applause.
Meron na rin.